Hello, I'm Andrew Mickey, Editor-in-Chief of Breakaway Investor, and this is the TFN 60-Second Buzz. Before I explain to you how to make some serious cash in the comeback story of the year, I've got to warn you that I'm going to ask you to do something that many would consider unthinkable, foolish, or downright mad. That's right, I'm calling for a rebound in uranium stocks. The bottom has absolutely fallen out of this once high-flying sector, and now is the time to start wading back in. Uranium prices have plummeted from an early summer high of $135 per pound all the way down to $78 a pound. That marks a 43% drop in uranium prices in just about 4 months. The fall off, unexpected by most, slashed the prices of uranium producing companies and stocks even more so. But now, uranium prices are on the rebound. In the past 2 weeks, uranium prices have surged $7 per pound and appear to be back on the rise. But not all uranium-based stocks are good buys right now. Also, we're not going to see many more of those 3- and 4-baggers that got caught up in the frenzy with the last uranium boom. For instance, shares of US-based uranium enrichment company USEC, ticker symbol USU on the NYSE, have plummeted 70% in the past 5 months. The cause of this fall is twofold. First, almost anything related to uranium and nuclear power has taken it on the chin during uranium's recent downturn. Second, the American Centrifuge project has been an utter disaster. Soaring costs that are now nearly twice the original budget and the issuance of new shares to pay for these cost overruns have drastically hurt the value of USEC shares. But here's the worst part. We still don't know if the American Centrifuge project will even work. But USEC is just one player in the uranium industry. Other leaders like Cameco and Uranium One have both been beaten down and are poised for a quick rebound. But if you've been unlucky enough to be holding these stocks the whole time, you've been handed some pretty steep losses. And that's why I've been pushing for investors to declare uranium immunity. I found a small Australian company that doesn't produce, sell, or even explore for uranium. In fact, it's capitalizing on the biggest problem facing the uranium industry. That is lack of enriched uranium for use by nuclear power plants. After all, we knew the uranium bubble was going to burst. We just didn't know when. Now, we've watched it happen, and it's time to capitalize on the pending problem that's about to make the major headlines and could knock out a large portion of the world's electricity supply. It's coming, and there will only be one solution. GE and Hitachi are already funding its development. The United States' 2 largest nuclear power plant operators, Exelon and Energy, are already on board, and this is going to be big. To learn more about this, you can go to taipanfinancialnews.com. I'm Andrew Mickey, and that's the TFN 60-Second Buzz.